Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cove and SimpliSafe. Cove and SimpliSafe are both popular DIY home security systems, and while they share some similarities like easy setup and no long-term contracts, they have different strengths. Cove is known for its user-friendly setup and strong customer service. It comes with the touchscreen control panels, which feel more modern than the keypad system some competitors use. The equipment is affordable, and Cove offers 24/7 professional monitoring starting around $17.99 per month. It also includes rapid text and phone alerts, and even lets you cancel false alarms via text, which is a nice touch. One Cove's standout feature is its lifetime equipment warranty if you stay subscribed to their monitoring service. SimpliSafe, meanwhile, is more established name home security. It offers a wider variety of equipment options, including indoor and outdoor cameras, smart locks, video doorbells, and smoke detectors. It also integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even Apple Watch. SimpliSafe's monitoring plans starts around $19.99 per month, and a top-tier plan includes video verification and app controls. Plus, it has a long track record with reliable hardware and a trusted brand reputation. If you want a more modern interface and excellent support at lower price, Cove is a great pick. But if you need more equipment, variety, smart integrations, and advanced features, SimpliSafe is the stronger overall system. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.